Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix where the Microsoft Store is not opening on your Windows. So if you're trying to download applications into from your Microsoft Store and this is not opening, then what can you do? First method is in the Windows search bar, search for Microsoft Store. So type here store. Microsoft Store Best Match will appear. Right click on that. Again, right click, not left click, and click on App Settings. Now scroll down and look for Repair button. If the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Click on Repair. Now, once you click on Repair, try to see if the problem has been fixed, but if not, if the system component still isn't working right, reset it. The system component's data will be deleted. Now click on Reset and then reset once again. Now, after you have reset the Microsoft Store, just simply restart your Windows by right-clicking at the Start button, shutdown or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. Next method, press the Windows key and R button together to open the Run window, or you can simply make a right-click at the Start button and click on Run. In here, you need to type ws reset.exe. It's wsreset.exe and click on OK. Now this will clear the Microsoft Store cache and this will also open and bring up the Microsoft Store for you. So here you can just simply search and download and install your favorite application in the Microsoft Store. Next method is we also need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So how can we make sure of that? Click on the Start button and go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on Windows Update. Now, you have to click on what is suggested here, like Update. Check for updates, download and install all, or restart now. Whatever is stating in this button, you have to click on that because this will download and install the latest updates for your Windows. So once that is done, just simply close this window. Then we can also try to repair the system files with the command. So in the Windows search bar, type here cmd. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. In here, you just need to type the command sfc /scan now. It's sfc /scan now and hit enter. So this process will take some time and you just need to wait for that process to be completed. Now, for the last method, so let's just minimize this for now. For the last method is you need to make sure that you are also in the current correct date and time. So you can find that in the bottom right corner if you are in the current or correct current date and time. So you need to make sure of that. And then once your SFC scan process is completed, then just simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So if any of the solutions given have fixed the issue, please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.